Importing Furniture and Home Goods into the United Kingdom, a formal guide to tariff classifications, duties, VAT, and customs procedures. Introduction: The United Kingdom Furniture Import Landscape. Furniture and home accessories arrive in the United Kingdom from workshops and factories across the globe. Importers who understand tariff rules, duty calculations, VAT, and electronic declarations position their shipments for prompt release and competitive cost. Foundation of compliance: accurate tariff classification. The first obligation is to assign the correct commodity code. Most furniture falls under Chapter 94, whereas ceramics, glassware, or metal kitchen items are classified in Chapters 69, 70, or 73. Documenting material composition, intended function, and manufacturing origin is essential before confirming the code through the HMRC Trade Tariff tool, which is also offered as an integrated feature on Customs Declarations UK platform. Valuation and duty assessment. When the code is secured, the corresponding ad valorem duty rate applies to the customs value, which comprises cost, insurance, and freight. Standard wooden furniture often attracts up to 5% duty, whereas upholstered or specialized pieces may be higher. Leveraging preferential trade agreements. Duty may be reduced or eliminated when a valid statement of origin under the UK-EU Trade and Cooperation Agreement, or another bilateral accord, proves the goods satisfy the relevant rules of origin. Accurate supporting documentation is therefore a commercial advantage. Import VAT calculation and recovery. Import VAT is normally charged at 20% on the sum of customs value and duty, although children's furniture and certain energy-efficient goods may qualify for reduced or zero rates. VAT-registered businesses reclaim the tax through their periodic return by referencing the HMRC C79 certificate. Building a complete customs document pack. HMRC releases goods only when the document pack is complete. The commercial invoice must state the commodity code, value, and Incoterms. A detailed packing list, transport document, and any required certificates of origin, phytosanitary reports, or upholstery safety licenses must accompany the entry. Registration Essentials, EORI, and Government Gateway. Prior to declaration, the importer must hold an economic operator registration and identification number and link it to a Government Gateway account. These credentials unlock direct access to HMRC's Customs Declaration Service. Filing the declaration through Customs Declarations UK. Using the Customs Declarations UK platform, the importer selects the appropriate customs procedure code, most frequently CPC 4000000 for free circulation release, then enters shipment details such as commodity code, customs value, duty preference, and VAT accounting method. CDUK translates complex data elements into plain English and flags inconsistencies before transmission. HMRC Acceptance and Movement Reference Number. Upon successful validation, the platform transmits the declaration to HMRC and returns a movement reference number. This reference authorizes removal of goods from the border facility and serves as proof of compliance for future audits. Conclusion: sustaining efficiency through diligent compliance. A disciplined approach to classification, duty and VAT calculation, and electronic filing through Customs Declarations UK ensures furniture and home goods reach the market swiftly and cost-effectively. Continuous monitoring of tariff updates and regulatory changes preserves this advantage in a dynamic trading environment. Filing your customs declaration is now frictionless, smoother, more reliable, and swift with customs declarations. For more information, please visit our website www.customs-declarations.uk.